Can you smell my fart?
No.
You did, huh, you dirty bitch? I knew it. Smelt it.
Say hi.
I wasn't gonna say anything.
Sarah, let out a mean one right now.
What?
I said you let out a mean one.
I did not. That was you.
You killed the whole camp right now, man.
No.
It was him, and I totally thought it was you because you
It
didn't.
was
Farted.
not me.
Yes, you did.
When I walked by, you were like,
Oh,
I just
shit,
farted. Sorry, I forgot. I forgot.
Don't get near me. You farted.
You're getting my bad eye. Don't get my bad eye.
Say hi.
Like, she was like, I'm gonna film you, and I smelled it. You are
Should I video myself?
so lucky you caught to it because I thought it was her.
Okay, now I'm here.
Ever thought it
So fucking high.
Was I? Shit, how should I do it now?
you didn't smell it?
You still at high.
It was just more smiley.
It smelled like your best parents.
Yeah, I got that. Ooh, should I sit or should I not sit?
Look at the light, not sit. It's about the light, don't sit.